Welcome to Sigzen Real Estate. In this video, you will learn how to handle property management processes in ERPNext. To add a new property to the inventory, start by searching for Property Details lists in the Awesome bar and selecting it. Click on Add Property Details list and begin by entering the property name, followed by selecting the ownership type. Next, input the builder's name. Choose the property type and specify the average carpet area in square meters. Click on Property Area and enter the property area. Click on Attach and attach cover image. Click on Property Status and select the property status. Provide details like the project land area. Click on Start Date and insert project start date. Click on Expected Date and expected project end date. Click on Description and insert as well as a description in the About Property section. For unit details, add the total number of towers or sectors and include images and documents by adding rows with image names and attaching the respective files. In the Financial Information section, create a payment schedule by adding stage details and their corresponding payment percentages. You can add multiple rows to define various stages. Moving on to the sales team, and click on Salesperson and add salespersons. Include their contribution percentages and repeat the process for additional team members. Click on For Amenities. Add rows and select the desired amenities one by one. Next, integrate the property with online portals. Click on 99 acres and add the property name for 99 acres. And click on housing.com and insert housing.com property name. And review all the entered details. After, click on Save the Information and move on to adding an address by searching for Address List in the Awesome bar. Select Add Address List. Click on Link the Property Document and insert Link the Property Document and provide address details like click on Postal Code and insert Postal Code. After, click on City or Town. Insert city or town. Click on Address Line 1 and insert Address Line 1 and click on State or Province. After, insert State or Province. Click on Save the Address. And submit it to finalize the property details. For managing towers or sectors, click on Tower Sector and select the type, tower or sector, and insert Provider name. Click on the tower type and insert tower type. Click on the total number of commercial units and insert the total number of commercial units. And click on Floors and insert floor. For each floor, add the total number of commercial units and click on Save the Details. Once all the information is complete, after, click on Save and submit the tower or sector details. When, click on Adding Unit and insert Adding Units. Click on Unit Number and insert Unit Number. After, click on Built Up Area and insert built-up area. Click on RERA carpet area and insert RERA carpet area. And click on unit type and insert unit type. Specify the area and the indicative SBA. Then save and submit the units. Repeat this process for additional units as needed. Once the units are created, proceed to allocate them. Click on Sales Price and insert Sales Price. Click on Assign the Customer and insert Assign the Customer. And click on Date of Allocation and insert Date of Allocation. For each allocation, add sales team details, including salespersons and their contribution percentages, and designate the primary salesperson if needed. Save and submit the allocation to finalize it. Finally, you can view the status of units by searching for the created property in the Property Details lists. Click on Unit Status to see the tower name, number of units, and their availability. From there, you can monitor available, blocked, and hold units. And now we can see the all details and status. Ensuring a streamlined property management experience in ERPNext.